This sesame cake is my go-to treat. I make it very often, sometime with banana or sometime I just add maple syrup. I just love to eat sesame in any way. Minimum ingredients and there is no fuss at all. Let's start by roasting the sesame seed on medium-low heat. When they start to pop or change the color, turn off the heat and let them cool down. Now cut the mangoes in small pieces. Put the mango and dates in the blender and blend until smooth. In a bowl, add roasted sesame seeds, mango date paste, almond flour and chopped almonds. Mix everything well and the mixture should be sticky and firm. Shape the way you like and add more almonds on top for extra crunch. Bake it in a preheated oven for 25 minutes or until it looks golden and beautiful in color. Enjoy!